Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I am the Kidtropolis educator at Children's Museum Houston, and I am here with an educator moment that's sponsored by Nico Nico's. So a lot of you have probably had to set goals for yourself before. You may have set a goal in or for school, like maybe your goal is to get all of your assignments turned in, or maybe you had a goal to get a particular grade on a test. Now you can also set personal goals for yourself. For example, I am going to make my bed every morning this month. That would be an example of a personal goal. Now here's something you may have noticed about goals. If you set a goal for yourself, but you don't keep it in the front of your mind, they can be pretty easy to forget about. I'll give you an example for myself. I always have the goal that I want to be better at playing guitar. But I've noticed if I keep my guitar in its case and I keep the case in my closet, I don't practice the guitar very often, which makes it pretty difficult to actually reach that goal. But if I keep my guitar on a stand and I keep it in my bedroom, then every time I go in my room, I can see it sitting there and I go, oh, I should probably practice. I haven't played in a while. And so keeping that idea, that goal for yourself as sort of something that you can see as a visual reminder is a really great way of helping you to reach any goal you may set. Now, we've talked a little bit here in Nico Nico's about what it takes to actually manage or start your own restaurant. It can be very, very challenging, and it takes a lot of work to make it happen. But one thing that somebody who has that goal can do is to help make sure they reach that goal by creating what's called a vision board. So this is what I'm going to show you all how to do today. I'm going to make a vision board for somebody who might be interested in starting their own restaurant, where that is that person's goal. You can make the vision board for any goal that you set for yourself. All you need to make your vision board is a piece of paper or cardstock, some scissors and some glue, a few magazines, and a dream. Once you know what your goal is, look through magazines for any images or words that help reflect that goal for you. From there, you can cut out any of the pictures that you found and arrange them onto your tag board or your piece of paper. Once you've cut out your images and your words, arrange them on your paper and glue them down. Trim off any pieces that are hanging over the edge. If you'd like, you can use some other paper to add a border. So this is my vision board. Now, based on whatever your goal may be, your board is going to look unique to you. But what I recommend you do is put it somewhere where you're going to see it every single day. Because whether you have set a short-term goal, something that you want to make happen for yourself soon, or whether it's a long-term goal, something that you're dreaming about for your future, knowing what you want and making sure that you make that a priority for yourself is the best way to make it happen. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us for today's Educator Moment, which was sponsored by Nico Nico's. If you haven't already subscribed to our videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe link below to check out more awesome videos from all of us here at Children's Museum Houston. Thanks so much, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye.